Where's my road? Did you take a picture? Or are you recording?
What's going on, Leo?
This is driving.
Are you scared?
A little bit.
Alright, I don't know if those are headlights up there. Should I go anyways?
Yeah.
I can't see with that light blinding my eyes. Thank you.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, Need for Speed here.
What, Leo?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Can I put my high beams on when this car passes?
Did you say no need for speed?
We are in Need for Speed here.